Alright guys, what is MCAS and why do I talk about it so much? It stands for mast cell activation syndrome, and it's a new diagnosis, which is maybe why you haven't heard of it so much. Recently it's gotten more attention because it's thought to be an underlying driver of long COVID. Mast cells are white blood cells that release a bunch of mediators, including histamine, to cause a cascade of an inflammatory reaction. The problem is when you get into chronic inflammation, that's when you get these chronic symptom problems. So MCAS is typically linked with things like migraine, like POTS, like Ehlers-Danlos, fibromyalgia, things I see that co-occur a lot in this community. When I hear people saying they're sensitive to everything, this makes me think of MCAS because these are the white blood cells that could be reacting to things like smells, like foods, like barometric pressure. So it's something to talk to your doctor about. I think if we're thinking of conventional medicine, you might see an allergist, an immunologist, but I honestly see this discussed more within functional medicine.